Life hurts us the most in the places we expect love the most. The people we trust the most are often the ones who hurt us unintentionally, or sometimes intentionally. Have you ever wondered, why does it feel like no one truly sees your pain? Why do the people you gave everything to suddenly act like you're invisible? Why do the ones you love the most seem to leave without warning? And why do we hold on to people, moments, or memories that drain us slowly? Maybe today you feel broken. Maybe your heart is heavy, your mind restless, and your soul tired. But listen carefully. Walking away from those who never understood you is not weakness, it's strength. Letting go does not mean you don't care. It means you care enough about yourself to stop hurting. Every word in this video is meant to reach the part of your heart that's silent, lonely, and searching for answers. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, we're going to walk through the pain together and discover the path toward healing, strength, and peace. Sometimes letting go is the only way to survive. Reflection. Letting go doesn't mean you've failed. It means you're making room for better days. You don't need many people, just the right ones. Reflection. One genuine friend can bring more light than 100 acquaintances. Be kind to yourself. You deserve the love you give others. Reflection. How often do we forget ourselves while caring for everyone else? Today, give yourself that care. Your pain is real, but so is your strength. Reflection. Every tear you've shed has strengthened you in ways you don't realize yet. Not everyone who leaves is lost. Sometimes it's a blessing in disguise. Healing is silent, slow, and invisible. But it works. Not the right people will feel your heart without words. Life will test you, but it will also teach you. You grow the most on the days you feel the weakest. Some people leave to make space for the right ones. You don't need to understand everything now. One day, it will all make sense. Sometimes distance is the only way to find yourself. Story. The Silent Fighter. There was a young man named Liam. On the outside, his life looked perfect. Friends, family, dreams, and ambitions. But behind the smile, he carried silent pain. One year, everything he had worked for collapsed. His closest friend betrayed him. People he trusted walked away, and the dreams he chased seemed to crumble before his eyes. He felt invisible. He felt alone, and for the first time in his life, he questioned everything. Why is this happening to me? One night, standing on a rooftop, he whispered into the wind, "I can't do this anymore. I can't keep pretending." Then, a gentle voice spoke. His grandmother, who had always been quiet, stood beside him. "My child," she said, "sometimes life removes everything from your hands, not to punish you, but to make room for what you truly deserve." Liam didn't understand at the moment, but over the next few months, he met new people who valued him. He discovered passions he never knew existed, and slowly, painfully, beautifully, he began to rebuild. Not the old Liam, but a stronger, wiser, calmer version of himself. He realized something important. Nothing was taken from him. Everything was replaced. The pain he endured shaped him into someone capable of receiving better, deeper love. Lesson. the people who leave, the dreams that fail, the heartbreaks that hurt. You are not losing, you are growing. People don't leave suddenly, they slowly stop trying. Reflection. Notice the signs. Don't cling to what is already fading. Your value doesn't decrease because someone failed to see it. Reflection. Your worth is intrinsic. It does not depend on validation from anyone. Sometimes the pain you feel today becomes your greatest strength tomorrow. Silence is also an answer. Respect it. Not everyone you love deserves your heart. Life doesn't give you what you want. It gives you what you need. Every broken heart introduces you to your true self. When people show you who they are, believe them. Stop begging for love that was never meant for you. Your peace is more important than anyone's approval. Healing takes time, but it is worth every second. Sometimes the hardest choices bring the greatest freedom. Now listen carefully. Life may hurt, people may disappoint, but your peace is in your hands. Forgive, not for them, but for yourself. Let go of those who never valued you. Your past is not your prison. Your pain is not your identity. You are still becoming someone stronger, wiser, and more peaceful. Take a deep breath, let go, and move forward. Your healing begins now. Your life is waiting, and it will be brighter than you ever imagined.